double gun. Double, gun.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Express. Today we are diving deep into one of the most powerful and luxurious sedans in the world, the Mercedes-AMG S63. The 2026 model takes the legendary S-Class formula and pushes it even further with aggressive AMG performance, cutting-edge hybrid technology, a refreshed exterior design, and an ultra-premium interior. In this detailed review, we'll explore the exterior updates, new look interior, performance figures, driving dynamics, technology, and pricing. From the very first glance, the 2026 Mercedes S63 AMG commands attention. The front fascia features the iconic AMG Panamericana grille with bold vertical chrome slats, now slightly redesigned for a sharper and more modern look. The slimmer digital LED headlights integrate advanced lighting technology that adapts to road conditions, improving nighttime visibility and safety. The lower bumper has been reshaped with larger air intakes, enhancing both cooling efficiency and aerodynamic performance. Every line on the hood and front end communicates power and prestige. Moving to the side profile, the long wheelbase and flowing roofline maintain the elegant silhouette that defines the S-Class, but AMG exclusive details elevate its sporty character. The 2026 model offers newly designed 21-inch standard wheels, with optional 22-inch forged AMG wheels for an even more aggressive stance. Large red brake calipers sit behind those wheels, especially noticeable if you opt for the carbon ceramic braking system. Subtle chrome accents around the windows and optional black styling packages allow buyers to tailor the look between classic luxury and bold performance. At the rear, the updated OLED taillights feature refined graphics that appear sharper and more three-dimensional. The quad exhaust outlets are integrated into a sporty rear diffuser, signaling that this is no ordinary luxury sedan. The rear bumper has been slightly redesigned for improved aerodynamics, and the subtle trunk lip spoiler enhances high-speed stability. Overall, the exterior of the 2026 S63 AMG balances elegance and aggression in a way few competitors can match. Now let's step inside, where the S63 AMG truly shines. Open the door and you are welcomed by an environment that feels more like a first-class lounge than a car cabin. Premium Nappa leather upholstery comes standard, with beautifully stitched diamond patterns and impeccable craftsmanship. For 2026, Mercedes-AMG has introduced new interior color combinations and updated trim options, including open-pore wood, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum finishes. The dashboard is dominated by a large OLED central touchscreen powered by the latest MBUX infotainment system. The interface is smoother, faster, and more intuitive than ever. Voice control has been enhanced, allowing natural language commands to control navigation, climate settings, ambient lighting, and more. The fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster features exclusive AMG displays, including performance data such as torque distribution, boost pressure, lap times, and G-forces. Ambient lighting has also been upgraded, offering over 64 colors and dynamic lighting themes that can change depending on driving mode. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather and includes AMG-specific controls, allowing you to quickly switch between drive modes without taking your hands off the wheel. Rear seat passengers are treated to exceptional comfort. The executive rear seating package includes power-adjustable seats, heating, ventilation, and massage functions. There's generous legroom thanks to the extended wheelbase, and optional rear entertainment screens turn the back seats into a private luxury suite. The Burmester 4D surround sound system delivers an immersive audio experience that feels like a live concert inside the cabin. Now let's talk about what makes this car truly special: performance. The 2026 Mercedes S63 AMG is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine combined with a high-performance electric motor as part of an advanced plug-in hybrid system. The total system output approaches 800 horsepower, with torque figures reaching an astonishing 1,400 Nm. This makes the S63 AMG one of the most powerful luxury sedans ever produced. Acceleration is breathtaking. Despite its size and weight, the S63 AMG can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just over 3 seconds. The AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system distributes power intelligently between the front and rear axles, ensuring maximum traction and stability in all driving conditions. Whether launching from a standstill or accelerating on the highway, the power delivery is immediate and relentless. The 9-speed AMG speedshift transmission delivers lightning-fast gear changes while remaining smooth during relaxed cruising. The adaptive air suspension system has been fine-tuned for 2026, offering a remarkable balance between comfort and sportiness. In comfort mode, the ride is soft and composed, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Switch to Sport or Sport Plus mode, and the car tightens up significantly, reducing body roll and sharpening throttle response. Rear axle steering enhances agility at low speeds and stability at high speeds. In tight city streets, the car feels smaller than it actually is. On highways, it remains planted and confident even at high velocities. The hybrid system also allows limited electric-only driving, making short urban trips quieter and more efficient. One of the most impressive aspects of the S63 AMG is how it blends two personalities. In electric mode, it glides silently like a traditional luxury sedan. Switch to Sport Plus, and the V8 engine roars to life,